This is Gumtu railway station. So the Dodiplo train is coming from Naharlaguri station. You can see this is 8:25 p.m. Now I am here in Doimukh train station. I will board into this Dodipolo train from Naharlaguri to Guwahati. I'll get down at this Kamakya railway station. From there I'll take a taxi and I'll move to Guwahati airport. From there I have Indigo flight by 8:30 am from Guwahati to Chennai. Okay, so tomorrow again I'll resume once I reach Guwahati. So the train has arrived now. So my coach number is B2 and seat number 27. We have reached this Sharaigat bridge of Guwahati over Brahmaputra river. You can see the beautiful scenery of this scenic beauty of this Brahmaputra river. This is the bank in Jalukbari side. There is a bank site on this bridge is being constructed. You can observe here. You can see. So this Jalukbari view of the early morning, which is passed through nearby this Guwahati University, and this nearby train station is Kamakya, where we will get down. We have reached this Kamakya railway station. We have get down here. Now we have to cross the railway over bridge to take the taxi from station number 1. So we are crossing now. Chalo. Oh, okay, Kamakya. Now we are heading to airport. Passengers are sleeping on the floor of the railway station. They are waiting for their turn to come. So we are going outside of the station. This is platform number 1. We are going outside to hire the taxi. So this is taxi. So this is ready. The taxi we have booked. So now we will move to airport Guwahati. ভাই ওই দাদা ওই লেট করলে আমার দিকদার মানে ফ্লাইট আছে তো দিকদার হবো নাহলে কেটার আপনার কেটার ফ্লাইট 7টাত পৌঁছা দেবেন না 15 মিনিট 15 মিনিটে পৌঁছাই দিন দাদা 15 মিনিট হ্যাঁ জায়গা দাদা ঠিক আছে कितनी मिनट में एयरपोर्ट तो आपकी पीछा पर लाया भाई इमान दूर जाए नहीं bridge nearby airport. So you say it's not around 1 kilometer even distance from here. So now we have get down here. Now we'll go to this is the first layer security at the entrance of the pressure gate. So now here we have to scan this check-in bag. This bag will go to will drop at the this boarding pass issuing point, and we'll receive it at the end point of our tour. So from this vending machine, if we wish to take the printout of our boarding pass, we can take it out from here just by putting the PNR number of our ticket. So we are trying here now for the boarding pass. Now we are going to drop the bags at the dropping point. I mean ticket counter.
बाहर कलर का जो वहाँ से फेस वो करेगा.
Now we'll be here in airport lounge to have our breakfast, and after completing our breakfast, we'll be waiting at the boarding gates for our flight to be ready to get in. So this is airport lounge. So we'll have breakfast here. So these are the options available. And this is upma, then
उपमा
puri, sabji is also there, boiled egg is there. Then there you can have tea, black tea or red tea. This is cornflakes or mostly along with hot milk you can have here. So this is airport lunch options. You can have lunch also over here. And as we have some privileged cards with us, so here just only ₹2 for this heavy breakfast. And if paid access is also there, for that you may be charged around 700 to 800 rupees for this breakfast. So this is tea, this is puri that we have taken. So this is black tea for the morning. So we have had this breakfast here. So now we get boarding with this bus, Indigo bus. This Indigo bus will take us to our flight to get in. So this is not our flight, this is another flight nearby. So this bus is taking us to the flight. The weather is very much rainy, you can see. The entire airport is having rain. Still light rain is going on. That one is our flight. So we are going there. This is our bus driver. So we are moving to stop down flight. We are almost reaching to our flight. So we'll now get down. So this is our flight. So bus is now going to stop here. Okay, now we're getting down here. So now we move. Now here, zone by zone, they will allow the representative from this staff, from the staff of this Indigo will allow us to go zone by zone, zone 1, zone 2. So now Finally, I have sit down here in my seat. My seat number is 17F. So normally, if you wish to sit in at the window side of any flight, you must have to choose either F or A. S, there is a single row. 6 seats are there. A, B, C, D in one side, and after that in another side, D, E, F. So my seat number is F. So that's why I can observe. I can see outside through the window of the flight. You can see. This is the airport side of this. I am seeing all this from the window side as my seat number is 79. So if you wish to occupy the window side seat, you have to choose option A or option F. So then you can enjoy the inter-flight, the outside sky, different views at the time of landing as well as taking off. You can enjoy. And particularly if it is first time flight.
आपकी सुरक्षा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है और हम आपसे अनुरोध करते हैं कि आप इस प्रदर्शन पर ध्यान दें। भले ही आप अनुभवी यात्री हैं, हमारी एक्सप्रेस सीट शुल्क के साथ उपलब्ध है। कृपया हमारी विमान काउंटर से संपर्क करें और शुल्क देने पर अपनी रसीद लेना ना भूलें।
The flight is started. Still it has not taken off. The sky, just runway is taking speed. So you can see it will take off very soon. So after taking up the speed, it will take off to the sky. So this is still running. The speed is very high now. The high speed it is moving. So now it is going to take off. It's going to take off very soon. You can see. So this one is very high now. Okay, it is taking off. Now it's taking off. Yes, you can see. Yes, it's going to the sky. The flight is now in the sky. You can see from above. You're seeing all this Guwahati city. Guwahati city is, yes, weather is very much dumb. The rainy season, raining is going on still. So just looking toward the sky, the Guwahati is look like this. We are moving inside the clouds, that's why it's looking like this. Yes, flight is going inside through the cloud. This is Brahmaputra. You can see this is the Brahmaputra in between white birds and some valley, this island kind of things. Yes, it is a hours journey from Guwahati to Chennai. So 3 hours I'll be in the sky doing all this. This kid has made my journey so enjoyable.
Yes.
The entire journey he talked to me lots of questions, he asked me lots of questions and he
Is
answered.
it?
It's broken and
He's
it's
mad.
nothing.
Is it? I think you.
Yes,
I think. I think.
and James here, he eats. And without brushing, he cannot come.
Yes. Yes. I think you.
Without eating,
I think.
he cannot come.
I think you used to take chocolate so much. That's why your teeth is having
Our
problem.
chocolate is naughty.
And chocolate is not good. That's why. I
That's
think.
why he should get banana.
Yes,
That's why
yes.
he should get bananas.
Yes. 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 Very good.
Wait,
What is this?
there's the tree way.
Yes.
Where
Yes.
we go.
In the in the downside, you see there are lots of cottons are there. And that side.
Inside.
Yes. And that side like blue ocean. Have you seen? Sky above the sky.
That's why it's zero in.
Yes. Yes.
That's why
Why that side is that much blue?
because of the brain
Bay side. Bay side is there.
and it's white and blue.
Why blue? Why blue?
Yes.
Why blue?
Because of the paint.
Yes. Yes. Can you paint this blue at home?
How much this light is going down?
Yes. It's going up to your home
Up
garden.
and down is going and going.
Yes. 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 Guwahati, where did you visit? Guwahati, Guwahati, where did you?
You remember this an uncle and this home?
Yes, yes.
That's why it wasn't.
Okay.
I mean, there's uncle and Appa asked my uncle and paper
Is it?
and uncle.
It's very nice.
It's sent like this.
So Guwahati, which places you
And
did
this
visit?
is a funny. Light is going to fly.
Flight is in very high. It's flying. Now after. Pardon? Tell me again. Again, you tell me.
See,
Huh.
this is blue. And this body
Oh,
glasses.
this one. Yes, yes. Because I is having.
All those dancing glasses.
Yes,
They're
yes.
for the
Now we'll be landing very soon. This is Chennai side. This is the Chennai city. The sky. So this is
Thank you for choosing Indigo and giving us the opportunity to serve you today. और सभी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों से बंद और साइलेंट में रखें। आप अपने कीमती सुझाव हमारे SMS द्वारा या हमारी वेबसाइट www.goindigo.in के द्वारा शेयर कर सकते हैं। अब आप www.airseva.gov.in पर लॉग इन या एयर सेवा ऐप डाउनलोड करें। हमारी सेवाओं पर कोई भी सुझाव नागर विमानन मंत्रालय को दे सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। We will be landing shortly and the cabin crew will come around for final clearance. Please help us clear your seating area of anything that is to be discarded. Once the seatbelt signs are switched on, turn off all electronic devices or keep them in flight mode. Open the window shade, straighten your seat back, close your tray table, fasten your seatbelt, and refrain from using the lavatory telegram. Please share your valuable thoughts with us by taking the feedbacking services with the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Thank you.
finally reached Chennai. So we're going
3838.
to get down very soon. Flight is going to land now. You can see the Chennai city from above the sky. It looks so beautiful. Small buildings. Looks like tinny from above the sky. Yes, our flight is going to land now. This is airport. Yes, now it's very closer. Yes, this is airport. Now they're going to.
हो ही गया.
Overbooked, cancelled या डिलीट फ्लाइट की स्थिति में आप अपने अधिकार एयर सेवा वेबसाइट पर पैसेंजर चार्टर में पढ़ सकते हैं. धन्यवाद. Your attention please. In case of overbooked, cancelled or delayed flights, please refer to the. उनसे निवेदन है कि वे अपने स्थानों पर बैठे रहें. कुछ ही समय में इंडिगो के सुरक्षा कर्मी दल आपके बोर्डिंग का इंचार्ज और साथ लाए सामान की सीट पॉकेट ताकि आपका कोई सामान विमान में नहीं आ जाए. सीट बेल्ट का संकेत बंद होने तक कृपया आप अपनी कुर्सी की पट्टी बांधे रखें. सामान कक्ष सावधानी से खोलें. अपनी यात्रा में इंडिगो को शामिल करने के लिए धन्यवाद. You are free to use your mobile phones now. Please check the seat box. Line is switched off. Please open the overhead bins carefully. Thank you for flying with Indigo. See you next time.
No, Rohan. Amma tadi ko Rohan ami do Rohan ingo.
Vanakkam, Chennai. My bag and belt too. Belt number 2. This is my bag. Bag is good. This is my bag. Okay. This is my bag. ওই কোন নিয়ে যাও এটা তুমি? এই তো
Some